The Taxman Cometh. And while we all know we cannot avoid death or taxes, we might as well laugh while we are still around to send the government money. Some people just shared their own personal struggles. I'm doing my taxes and I'm being shamed for not winning any Olympic medals. Thanks so much, TurboTax, you meanies. And this meme showed what it's like to go through the first 4 months of the year. Dependents are a great way to save on taxes, and Adult Swim might just adopt you. Of course, kids cost a lot more than they're worth at tax time. Or there's this strategy to add dependents. Every boy I had to baby and take care of emotionally in 2017 is getting claimed as a dependent on my taxes. And some people shared their tips for coping. Laminate your bills and receipts so the tears roll off. Makes you wonder if you could write off the lamination machine and tissues.